I'm making beef stroganoff. I like beef stroganoff and I like mine with a kick. So what I've done first is I have fried some onion and pepper and mushrooms first, and now I'm just frying my steak off. Now my steak I've covered in salt and pepper and paprika, but I've put lots of pepper on because I like lots of pepper. So once that's nearly cooked through, I've got some heavy cream or double cream, whichever you want to call it. Mix that in. Now the recipe I've got off the internet, and I've halved it because it's for 4 people, so I've just halved the ingredients. And I've then got some, it says sour cream, but I haven't got sour cream, so to substitute it I'm just using natural yoghurt. So I'm going to add that in as well and mix it up. And then once it starts warming through, I'm going to add my onions, my pepper and my mushrooms back into the pan. And then once it's warmed through, I'm going to serve this with some boiled rice. It smells good. So I've just warmed my beef stroganoff off. I've done some boiled rice and I'm going to serve this up with my boiled rice. So you have beef stroganoff with boiled rice. Oh, delicious.